Okay guys, so welcome in this new video on Bolt.new. This is a walkthrough or tutorial. I will showcase the features of it, and in the next videos you should be excited because I'm going to build a whole website with you from scratch and teach you everything that the others don't teach, because they always show like, oh, it can do effects, oh that, but they don't actually show you how to integrate the important stuff. So let's get right into it. So you're going to create a Stag Blitz account, and then you're going to click here on Bolt.new. Here you're going to be redirected to this page where you gotta of course sign up. If you already did here, then you should be also here. And so what do you do? Here you can type whatever you want the Bolt to create. So we can say, create me a landing page for an e-com store with Nike shoes and t-shirts. Make the design smooth and whatever. It just doesn't matter. I'm just trying to show you here. So yeah, here you can see it starts creating the code. So if you're a coder, then the better, because you can actually even look at this and you can rewrite stuff. So that's super useful for you. But you can see Bolt is creating everything for you. And yeah, here's what you actually set the prompt. Here you are prompting, and here is your result. Now it's adding products, the images, price, category, shoes, t-shirts, super good. It's creating all the effects, everything. Now it's in the categories, women's shoes, men's t-shirts. Pretty good. And yeah, it's creating all of the URLs of the basic stuff, and soon we are going to be able to see how it actually looks. So now you can see it's telling us what it did, and boom, you got a whole page for you. You can see it's looking clean, it's looking good. Okay, this is some random ass t-shirt, but you get the point. Like, this is looking good. You got the categories, women's shoes, men's t-shirt, women's t-shirt. Join our newsletter. You can add your email here. You can go subscribe. Of course it doesn't work right now, but you can just prompt it there. Got your privacy policy, also doesn't work, but all good. You got the man. Also, like, it doesn't work right now, the buttons, but then you can just say, okay, make the men's, or make the whole buttons under collection work, and blah 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 blah. Open up a page for men, blah 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 blah. Right now it doesn't get any other pages. Yeah, it's just these. It's just like a cover right now. It's not functional, but you see, none of the buttons actually work. But you can just see how powerful this is. You got your likings, you can have your shopping cart and everything. But what if you would want to see something functional? Well, here is where my website comes in. I have created the website for my mother, that is going to probably amaze you. It's still not in its final form, but actually, let me just show you. So here it is. Don't mind the pictures, don't mind anything, but it's gonna all change. But yeah, it got its own domain. I set everything up, and yeah, let's dive right into it. So it's in Czech, so you're probably going to be like, oh, what does this mean? This is a search bar for products. Let's say somebody wants a bag, a handbag. Boom, you got them here. Or you want, let's say, uh, like some, trench coat, whatever. I don't know. I'm not into women's stuff, so I truly don't know. Here you can just swipe these, like themes or whatever. You got your explore collection. You got this scroll down. It's all good, animated. Here everything is also animated, pretty sleek, pretty good. If you open it up, you actually see the products here. But since in my database there is 0 products right now for this category, then you're not gonna have anything here. Here, for example, you can see some stuff. I don't even know what it is in English. It's just some piece of clothing. I don't know. So yeah, you can choose whatever here you need. You can choose the color, the amount of it, and let's say you want to add 5 of these. That's crazy, and it's in Czech crowns. 25 Czech crowns is like €1. So you go add the card, boom. You see here you got it in the card. Here the total sum is not 0, but I just need to prompt it to do the calculations. But that's just a small detail. I'm of course gonna do it before we make it official. But boom, now it is loading me into Stripe, and you can see it's this amount times 5, so it actually gave you the total number and or the total amount, and boom, here you just get your stuff done. So pretty like useful website. This is like a 10k website. Pretty crazy. Here you can see the categories or all of the products. If you click on all of them, you can just choose all of that good stuff. You can see your, of course, shopping bag. You got other stuff. This is almost the same. I gotta fix it a little bit. Here we got the news, the new stuff, and here we got about us. So this is our story and all that good stuff. What are our values. You can learn Czech in these videos, to be honest. So this word hodnoty means values, and there are some random ass pictures of people, but don't worry about it. And here's a blog. So here my mother, we are going to like post something for the woman to read about. These are actually like readable facts. Spring is coming, blah 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 blah. And then you can scroll between these blogs here. You got even your like selections or whatever. So pretty awesome for me. Like I think it's really good. Here you got your um like follow us, like a newsletter. So of course you can write here, blah blah blah. You got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. So this is what Bolt is all about. You can truly change anything you want with it. So let's say um uh change the tema into a into jungle forest. I don't even know what I'm writing, but it will just do it. You can see for yourself. Now it will be transforming the whole website into like jungle or like forest theme. So we're gonna see. So it's changing the categories even. So outdoor accessories, outdoor footwear. Uh, it's changing everything. So join our wilderness newsletter. So it's like the whole theme is right now going to be about like nature and stuff. It's gonna be pretty awesome. All of this white text you see is basically text you can rewrite yourself, and it will be immediately like the text visible in the actual website. So yep, you can just literally go here and just be like and rewrite it according to your likings. So yeah, and that of course saves your credits because Bolt is running on credits. Of course, it's a free trial, but if you want to create like something actually functional, then you need to use the credits. So now it's done. It's done doing it. So it will show us in the preview. It did this and that, and let's see. Boom! It's totally different. You can see, totally different. Explore the wild with Nike Jungle. You see, it totally changed. It kids, women, men, home. Nothing works still, but totally changed the whole, stuff. Jungle collection. Add the card. You can see it's a little bit like different. Also, the product names are totally different. Explore the wilderness. Old outdoor accessories, hiking apparel. Join our wilderness newsletter. Everything. Like it's pretty good with this stuff. And yeah, so this is what Bolt is all about. I'm trying to keep these videos short. So in the next one, I'm gonna show you how to build a whole website from scratch, and I'll walk you how to create your own ecom shop. So yeah, let me know what you want. Leave a drop or like drop a comment, drop a like, and if you want to follow me or if you want to hit me up and maybe do something together, then in my description I got my email, I got my Twitter, and I got my Instagram. So DM me there and see you in the next one.